I know you may be thinking, look, if we're relying on House members to hold other House members accountable, doesn't exactly inspire confidence. But there is another avenue besides that, as Elizabeth Warren explains here.
Think of it this way. Here's Donald Trump out there saying all kinds of stuff. He drives the market way down, goes totally into the toilet, gets flushed, moves through the pipes, and then he changes the whole thing and it shoots way back up.
Right.
Something happens in between those 2 points. And that is right before he makes those announcements that make the market say, yay, fabulous, he's not as crazy as we thought. A bunch of people buy shares of stock and they buy what are called calls so that they can leverage and buy even more shares of stock on very little money. The SEC ordinarily would just stop and investigate. They'd say, whoa, is this either insider trading, that is, a few people were tipped off about what was going on, or is it just straight up market manipulation, even if it happens out in public? The SEC would ordinarily do that, but this is now Donald Trump's SEC.
Right.
So that's the real problem we've got here.